Welcome everybody to Sound Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm talking about Lil Uzi Vert Queso, produced by TM88 off the Love Is Rage mixtape. The first preset is under Classical and Nexus, and it is called CL Angel's Harp. The second preset in Queso is in Nexus, is under the Classical Bank, and the preset is called WW Dance Piccolo. And those are the two main presets that was in Lil Uzi Vert Queso. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or requests, leave a comment in the video. Check out our social media for any Sound Searching news. This has been Sound Searching, and I'm out.